Wall Street heading so close to the 16,000 point mark. Brett is very excited about that. In fact, the Dow up 20% over the last 12 months. European markets up as well. I have a great graph coming up very soon. Gold trading at $1,228 an ounce, oil 94 US a barrel, and the Aussie dollar is buying just under 94 US cents, 69 euro cents and 58 British pence. Now let's take a look at what we can expect in the finance world this week. Craig Jones from CommSec is with us. Craig, do you reckon the Dow will get through 16,000 this week?
Oh, I think it's almost London to a brick that it's going to get through those sorts of levels. It's got the momentum on its side, and really there's not too much to hold it back in terms of the economic data this week. We do have the Federal Reserve minutes of their last meeting, so that'll be occurring, so Wednesday. So that's the one thing that could, sort of cause a little bit of consternation around about midweek. But in terms of our economy, well, if it wasn't for the Reserve Bank, I probably wouldn't have to work this week, because the Reserve Bank basically is setting the agenda for this week. We've got minutes of the last board meeting happening on Tuesday. One of the senior officials, the Assistant Governor Guy Debelle, he gives a speech sort of out on Wednesday, and then Thursday the Reserve Bank Governor talks. He talks basically about commemorating the 30 years of floating of the Australian dollar, so back in December of 1983. And there's a lot of companies with their annual general meetings. Something like 25 companies. Oh, look at that, 7 Group. So they've got their annual general meeting happening on Tuesday. Wednesday we've got Myer, and then on Thursday BHP Billiton. Sometimes it pays to look at what the companies are actually saying and doing, rather than focusing on economic data, to get a good sense about how the economy is performing. Yeah,
we've got a series of finance specials here on Sunrise to commemorate the 30th anniversary of the floating of the dollar coming up in December. Working on that now. Were you on the track on the weekend?
I wasn't on the track on the weekend. Yes.
Very blustery conditions.
Yes.
Good time to stay. All right, thank you, sir. See you in an hour.